What's up and welcome to NOMSTERS. Today we'll be going to Harley Davidson PJ for the Cancer Awareness Ride. The team has been going to Penang and JB, and today there will be about more than 50 Harley Davidsons riding from Gasket Alley to MBPJ. So let's check it out.
Okey, hari ini konvoi kita selamat sampai daripada JB ke HOGPJ. Lunch sponsor baik Syed Mubarak dengan semua orang. Terima kasih kepada Shell, terima kasih kepada Syed Mubarak. Thank you to all the riders, all the MCs who are supporting us today. Okey, kejap lagi kita akan tolak pergi laman MBPJ untuk upacara penutupan. Thank you everyone, thank you everybody, thank you Hogpj, thank you HOGPJ, thank you for all the sponsors. Bagus, thank you.
Okay, Harley Owners Group, 26 February 2023, will be riding from Gasket Alley to MBPJ in conjunction to Cancer Awareness Campaign Ride. Today is the closing day. 1, 2, 3!